divide 534 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting we get 0. So 534 divided by 3 is 178. So this much for today and thanks for watching.